Celebrate the dog days of summer at the High Peaks Resort in Lake Placid. Join us Thursdays at 5 p.m. all summer long for Lake Placid's only doggy happy hour and live entertainment by our dog house band, the Dogs of Jazz. There'll be weekly drink specials from our Chase Your Own cocktail menu, lots of space to run around and play, plus treats for all good dogs. Doggy happy hour is perfect for dog owners, dog lovers, and even for those cool cats who just want to soak in some sun while soaking in the sounds of our doghouse band, the Dogs of Jazz. So come, stay, fetch fun in the courtyard on Main Street at the High Peaks Resort Thursdays at 5 for a coming together of the canine and cocktail variety. Doggy happy hour. Because you can teach an old dog new tricks.